Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be looking at how to get Skillshare premium account for free in 2023. Skillshare is one of the most popular e-learning platforms with thousands of courses on creative, business, and technology related topics. We'll provide you with practical tips and tricks to ensure you have access to all the premium features, including thousands of classes and the ability to download videos for offline viewing. If this is something you're interested in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest videos. And turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon, so you're always up to date. Let's get started. While it's a great platform to learn new skills, the premium account comes at a cost. Here are 5 steps you can take to get the premium account for free. Step 1. Use the free trial period. The first step to getting a Skillshare premium account for free in 2023 is to take advantage of the free trial period. Skillshare offers a 7-day free trial to new users who sign up for the premium account. During this time, you'll have access to all premium features and can take as many courses as you like. It's essential to make the most of this period to explore and learn as much as possible. Step 2. Refer a friend. Another way to obtain a Skillshare premium account for free is by referring a friend. Skillshare has a referral program that rewards you with a free premium account when you invite someone to join the platform. Your friend will also receive a free trial period, and once they upgrade to the premium account, you'll receive a free account too. It's a win-win situation. Step 3. Look for promo codes. Skillshare occasionally offers promo codes that provide discounts or free premium accounts to users. Keep an eye on their social media accounts or sign up for their newsletter to stay updated on these offers. Also, you can check out websites that offer promo codes for Skillshare. Make sure to use the code before it expires to avail the benefits. Step 4. Participate in giveaways. Skillshare sometimes runs giveaways on its social media platforms or its website. Participate in these giveaways to have a chance of winning a free premium account. Make sure to follow their guidelines to increase your chances of winning. Step 5. Contact Skillshare support. If none of these methods work for you, consider contacting Skillshare support to explain your situation. They may offer you a free premium account or a discount based on your circumstances. It's always worth a shot to ask. If you have any other tips or tricks, feel free to share them in the comments below. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. And turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon, so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.